Tonight, the bi-state battles to get vaccines. The Metro East prepares to mass vaccinate with what it does have, and Missouri fights its back-of-the-pack status in vaccinating.
We're going to have all of that in just a minute, but first, developments in a concerning new variant of the coronavirus. The mutant strain persistent in Brazil has now shown up in America in Minnesota. Dr. Anthony Fauci says this may become the more dominant strain because it's easier to spread. That could shoot cases back up.
The good news, we are seeing cases drop 33%, in fact, in the last 2 weeks. Where you see the dark spots on this map here on your screen, it is still bad. However, new cases in the St. Louis area are trending down.
Now to News 4's Alexis Soto's tracking the vaccine tonight, hearing from those frustrated, saying Missouri's vaccine rollout is broken.
Well, tonight, the Missouri State Health Department is reacting to being 50th amongst the 50 states when it comes to the vaccine rollout. The state saying the limited vaccine supply that they are receiving from the feds is hampering that rollout. They also say they're finding that some of the vaccinator sites are not moving as efficiently as they should be.
What we're getting from everybody is we don't know. We don't know when we're going to get the vaccines. We don't know how all of this is going to play out.
Lynn Wakefield pre-registered with St. Charles County Health Department where she lives, as well as Barnes Jewish Hospital. She has COPD. Her husband just had open heart surgery, but like so many, they're simply waiting for an appointment.
I really don't have a problem with the hospitals. What I have a problem with is the elected officials not really helping, not communicating.
According to CDC data, Missouri ranks 50th out of all the states in vaccine rollout. Tonight, the state responds to those numbers by saying the total amount of vaccines shipped to Missouri as of today are 661,400. Of those, 46% have not been administered.
The clinical services piece.
St. Louis County's Board of Health says there is no vaccine going to waste in their county. They are overwhelmed by the demand and the very small supply.
There are over 450,000 people who currently qualify in the open tiers in St. Louis County. And then I get 3,900 doses a week. I hope I will continue to get 3,900 doses a week, but it isn't a guarantee.
St. Louis County expects their third shipment on Tuesday, while St. Louis City expects their first.
We have to have the vaccine supply, and we need a way for people to get appointments for that. We don't want to have these long lines, but we will do big events, but we will also continue to do a number of small events, provided we can keep the supply going.
Wakefield says Missouri's vaccine ranking is embarrassing and hopes the state steps up.
There's vaccines out there somewhere. Get them into Missouri.
The Missouri State Health Department also is pointing to the number of vaccines that are going to the federal pharmacy program. That includes Walgreens and CVS, which are helping vaccinate long-term care facilities. According to the state of Missouri, the Walgreens and CVS's are only using about 17% of the vaccine that they have been given. I have reached out to Walgreens and CVS tonight to find out what they say to that, and also to find out when they're going to open up appointments to the general public here in Missouri. We'll, of course, keep you posted as we learn more. Reporting in downtown, Alexis Soto, News 4.
A lot of anxious people out there, Alexis. Thank you.